Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on gold versus the dollar, I still believe the trend is up, and I still believe this move down is a crescent and that we're going to end up continuing back up. Now, it does look like it could be a wave 5, but it also could just be a subdivision of a much bigger uptrend. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can actually start to see that most likely this is a downtrend, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. This is probably a B. I think we're in a wave C, and I don't really think the wave C is over. I'm starting to think that we're going down to about the 1860 area to finish off this wave C before we do end up continuing the uptrend. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I believe that we are currently in a wave 3 right now. I think this whole move down is a wave A. I think this is probably a wave B. And it looks like a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. And I don't even think the wave 3 is over yet. So I am for sure still going to primarily continue to look for shorts on the shorter time frames. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, it's definitely been a little choppy the last week or two, but it is for sure a downtrend, and it is for sure still making lower highs the whole way down. No reason at all to think that this move is over. It does kind of look like it's possibly making an ABC, which if it is, that wave C probably would take out the high of wave A, but then probably shortly after taking out that high, it would probably just keep on trending down. So, like I said, I am definitely still looking for shorts on shorter time frames, at least until I get a good confirmation with a break of structure that this up downtrend is over. And even when I do get a break of structure, it's probably just going to be the end of a wave 3 and the beginning of a wave 4. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this move up definitely is looking pretty corrective. So if this does go down, if it does break structure and it makes another lower high, I would for sure take that as another sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, like I was showing on the 4 hour, I think it's actually pretty obvious and pretty likely that this is a wave A, this is a wave B, and that this is actually going to go up more for a wave C. Probably will go up and break this high and then turn down, break structure, and end up continuing the downtrend from there. So we really just have to pay attention to see if it goes down and breaks structure now, ending a crescent and continue it down, or if it doesn't break structure, it's probably just going to keep on going up to finish up a wave C, and then once that wave C is over, that's when it probably will continue the downtrend. So we just need to pay attention to our highs, our lows, our structure, and just let the market do whatever it's going to do, and we'll just go with the flow. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.